What's up guys, this is Lord Eisen, welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, this is not a good news video, as Toei has claimed and taken down my fan-made animation of Grand Priest, revealing his true form. I have submitted a counterclaim to YouTube to review, where I mentioned that the animation was created by me, and I didn't use any footage from Dragon Ball, but I highly doubt they side with me, and they probably won't even forward Toei the notification. And even if they do, I'm 99% positive that Toei will just reject it. It looks like ever since they awoke from their slumber to announce the new Dragon Ball movie coming up, they are gunning down everyone that creates content that has to do with Dragon Ball, being it fan animations, reviews, news, cover song remixes and so on. They simply don't care about fair use, and want that all the information about their precious Dragon Ball to come from their official sources only. In the 3 years of inactivity since Dragon Ball Super ended, us content creators have kept the fandom going, and now to come and strike everyone, that's just something that Frieza would do. I had planned to do a few high-budget animations of Xeno revealing his true form, or of final form Goku, but unfortunately all those projects will need to be scrapped. From now on, I will post all my new animation videos on my secondary channels, Anime Central and Demon God Manaka. Links will be in the description, so please subscribe there so you won't miss it. So yeah, it turns out that Toei is pretty evil after all, so I might just post flip-a-clip parody animations of Saitama punching Goku to King Yama. Thank you for all your support and I'll catch you on my other 2 channels. Peace.